In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a character or any other type of column into a numeric column. So for example, I've made a little change in this diamonds data set here, where now the depth is a character column. So if we try to run diamonds and group by the cut, and we wanted to figure out what the mean depth was by cut. So I could do summarize depth equals mean depth. And I run this, it's going to just give me errors here in NAs. It's going to say the argument is not numeric or logical. And we can see up here that our depth is a character string. And so it doesn't know how to analyze this using the mean. So what we have to do is tell it that it's not a character string. So if we just look at our depth, we can do diamonds depth. And when we run this, we see that we have little quotes or apostrophes around all of our text. So how we can remove those so that it's a numeric and not a character string is we can type it as .numeric, and then we're just going to set it into the parentheses. And so when we run this, you see those little apostrophes go away because now it's identifying it as a number and not a string. But we haven't actually set this to be this new column in this data set. So what we need to do is reassign it. So we're going to do diamonds depth and assign it as this as numeric. So if we run this now, we can rerun our diamonds. So let me rerun that. And you see now it says this depth is a double, which means it is a numeric with a decimal place. The other option is an integer here where it doesn't have any decimals. So now if we rerun this, you can see that we now have our actual means of our depths by the cut. So that is how you can take any form of character string and turn it into a numeric.